Good day. So we are looking at the clavicle. So this is the superior surface of the clavicle, and there's no prominent features on the superior surface of the clavicle. There's two ends, medial end. Medial end is called the sternal end, and it is large and triangular. Another end, the lateral end, it is flat and it is called acromial end. It articulates with the acromion of the scapula. You can see here, medial part of the clavicle, anteriorly it is convex, and the lateral part of the clavicle, anteriorly it is concave. Okay, now let's have a look at the inferior surface of the clavicle. Near the lateral end, near the acromial end, there's a slightly prominent ridge. Okay, this is the trapezoid line. And here, medial to that, there's a slight prominence of bone here, that is the conoid tubercle. Okay, that's all for the clavicle. Thank you.